If you are a book lover and want to give your library a high-tech upgrade, then the Amazon Kindle is going to be a great choice for you. The only problem with these devices is the pricing. The very basic version of the Amazon Kindle comes up with a high pricing of 8,000, and the price for the other devices goes on proceeding. I know pricing can be subjective, but if you're like me, then you might understand that this is too much for reading books. So about a month ago, I got this refurbished Amazon Kindle from the official website of Amazon, and this has done a great job for me. This is the Amazon's 10th generation Kindle, which was launched in 2019. This is not paperwhite, but the basic version. Internal storage is 8 GB and this has Wi-Fi in it too. And I got this for about 3,000 rupees. I think this is justified because this is cheaper than the cover of Amazon Kindle OSs. So this video is going to be for two types of viewers. The one who are looking into buying a refurbished Kindle, and for them we are going to talk about the condition of this Kindle and the unboxing and stuff like that. This is also going to be a helpful video for people who are thinking to buy the basic version of Kindle, that is the 2019 version of the basic Kindle. So I'm going to talk about the features and also about some tricks and tips for the Kindle users, so please watch the complete video. So finally the device is here, and I don't know why it took so much of time. It reached to me about in 25 days, and this is the packaging. As you can see, this is not the original packaging, but this is for the refurbished product. So yeah, let's see what's inside it. Okay, so here's the Kindle itself, and they've just placed it over here with this plastic wrap, and let's open it. So this is the box. It's not even a box, just a cardboard thing, and this is the charging cable. So firstly, let's take a look at the charging cable. I hope it's the type C. Okay, so this is the micro USB cable, but it's okay. I think the quality is pretty good, and this is pretty long too, about I guess 1.5 meter long. So let's see these things. There's nothing, the manual, and I don't think I'm going to read this. So let's take a look at the device itself. So I'm not a fan of this packaging. I don't know why they didn't keep it like the original. I guess just to remind us that this is the refurbished product and we haven't purchased the new one. So let's remove it, and here's the screen. Okay, so they have it inside this. Let's open it. Okay, that sound is so satisfying. Things good till now. Okay, let's remove this too, I think. Okay, okay, so the screen pretty much shocked me, as that wasn't a cover but it was the screen itself. This is the e-ink, and I thought that it's something of a screen guard or something like that. Asking me to connect to Wi-Fi, so I'll do that later. Just move to the condition of the Kindle. The condition is absolutely perfect. You can see the Kindle logo. There are no scratches, anything, stains or nothing like that. This is like a brand new Kindle itself. The screen is perfect, no scratches, no nothing. You can see the back is perfect. It's kind of like a matte finish, and you can see everything is like new. Okay, so this look a bit fishy. I think
I think the jack is new, but they have replaced it or something like that. I don't know, I haven't seen a new jack in Kindle itself, so I can't compare, but it does look like it has been replaced. So everything apart from that is perfect and just like a new Kindle.
As you can see, the backside of this device is pretty slippery, so I recommend using this case, which I am also using. This will also protect the device and also prevent it from slipping from your hands. Something that I liked about this device is the response to the light. On comparing it to devices like cell phones or laptop or anything that has OLED display on them, this device just beats them with miles. As you can see, this device does not have a backlit when I don't turn it on.
And no matter how much I increase the brightness, this will have no effect on the screen. This is because this doesn't require light in a bright sunny day, and the light is meant for a dark environment or reading in the night, as the light is directly reflected from the sun, just like a white paper is doing in a bright sunny day. On the other hand, if you look at this cell phone, you can see that we can't see anything. This is because this uses OLED display and we can't see anything. So
the thing that concerned me at starting was the battery life, as the website said that the battery could last for weeks, but when I used the device, the battery was draining pretty fast. Then I noticed that the Wi-Fi was turned on and this was draining the battery very fastly. I figured out that if you read it continuously for about 5 to 6 hours, then the battery is definitely going to drain. The thing that they claim about the battery usage is the usage of 1 hour per day. Then the battery might last for about 2 or 3 weeks. For me, it lasted up to 15 days on average. So my overall review of this product will be that I'm completely satisfied with it, and if you really have a tight budget, then you can go for it. Else it depends on you if you want to buy a new product or not. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Until the next time, keep reading.